Chapter 3, Lesson 4, Slope-Intercept Form. First of all, let's talk about what is slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So when they want you to write an equation of a line in slope-intercept form, and they give you the slope and they give you the y-intercept, all you have to do is replace in the equation with the slope and the y-intercept. So for this one, I would write down y equals 1/4 x plus 3. This one, y equals 1.5x minus 1. I can write an equation in slope-intercept form by looking at a graph. So the two things I'm going to need are find the slope and identify the intercept. And again, we're talking about the y-intercept. So if I look at this one, I have the 2 points, -5, 0, and 0, 2, and I need to find the slope. So based on our last lesson, chapter 3, I would do y2, which is 0, minus y1, 2 minus 0, over x2 minus x1. And that's minus a -5, which turns into a positive. So my slope is 2 over -5, and my y-intercept is positive 2. So my equation would be y equals -2 over 5x plus 2. Same thing if I did number 7 here. This is my x1, y1, and this is my x2, y2. So for the slope, I would do -2 minus 0 over 0 minus -3, which turns into a plus. So that gives me -2/3, and my y-intercept is -2. So y equals -2/3 x minus 2. I can graph equations in slope-intercept form. So when graphing in slope-intercept form, we're going to start at the B, which is the y-intercept. And then we're going to move according to the slope, the M. And remember that slope is rise over run. So in this one, my slope is -1/2 and my intercept is 2. So I start at the y-intercept, which is 2 on the y, and I move down 1, right 2. Down 1 and a positive 2. -1 and a positive 2. Now, an important thing to put in your notes. Remember, if the slope is negative, your line should be going down. From left to right. Mine is going down from left to right. Number 9's problem is it's not in slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide everything by 3. So that would give me y equals 2/3 x minus 2. So my slope is 2/3 and my intercept is -2. So I start at -2, and then I have positive 2 over 3. Positive 2 over 3. Number 10 is also not in y equals mx plus b. So first thing I'm going to do is subtract 6x to both sides. So that would give me 3y equals -6x plus 6. Then divide everything by 3. So y equals -2x plus 2. So my slope is -2 or -2 over 1, and my intercept is 2. So I start at 2 and then go down 2 over 1, -2, +1, -2, +1. And once again, I check. My line is going down from left to right. Carla has already written 10 pages of a novel. She plans to write an additional 15 pages per month until she is finished. Write an equation to find the total number of pages P written after any number of months. So she's doing 15 pages per month, plus she already has 10. Graph the equation on the grid at the right. So my slope is 15 and my intercept is 10. So I'm going to start at 10 and go up 15 over 1, which would give me 25, which is about right there. Up 15 over 1, up 15 over 1, up 15 over 1. Find the total number of pages written after 5 months. So what I'm going to do is take my equation, substitute 5 in for m. 15 times 5 plus 10 in my calculator is 85 pages. A video store charges $10 for rental card plus $2 for each additional rental. Write an equation in slope-intercept form for the total cost C if it's $2 per movie plus $10 for a card. When I go to graph the equation, my slope is 2, my intercept is 10. Start at 10, go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Find the cost of buying a rental card and renting 6 movies. So I put 6 in for my movies, which gives me $22.